Setting a class underscore underscore name underscore underscore declaratively. Why can't you override a class name declaratively, e.g. to use a class name which is not a valid identifier? I thought maybe it was simply a case that this was overwritten after the class definition block completes. But seems that's not true, because the name is writable yet apparently not set in the class dict. Questions? Where does potato dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore resolve? How is potato dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals other handled inside and outside of a class definition block?
Where does potato dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore resolve? Most documented dunder methods and attributes actually exist in the native code side of the object. In the case of Python, they are set as pointers in a slot in a C struct defined in the object model. Defined here, this URL, but with fields easier to visualize when one actually creates a new class in C, like here, this URL, where the super type is defined. Therefore, underscore underscore name underscore underscore is set there by the code in type dot underscore underscore new underscore underscore, to which it is the first parameter. How is potato dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals other handled inside and outside of a class definition block? A class's underscore underscore dict underscore underscore parameter is not a plain dictionary, it is a special mapping proxy object, and the reason for that is exactly so that all attribute settings on the class itself don't go through the underscore underscore dict underscore underscore, and instead go through the underscore underscore setata underscore underscore method in type. In there, assignments to these slotted dunder methods are actually filled in the C object C structure, and then reflected on the class dot underscore underscore dict underscore underscore attribute. So, outside a class block, CLS dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore is set in this way, as it takes place after the class has been created. Inside a class block, all attributes and methods are collected into a plain dict, though that can be customized. This dict is passed to type dot underscore underscore new underscore underscore and other metaclass methods, but as said above, this method fills in the underscore underscore name underscore underscore slot from the explicit pass name parameter, that is, the name argument passed in the call to type dot underscore underscore new underscore underscore, even though it just updates the class underscore underscore dict underscore underscore proxy with all names in the dict used as namespace. That is why CLS dot underscore underscore dict underscore 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 name underscore underscore can start with a different content from what is in the CLS dot underscore underscore name underscore underscore slot, but subsequent assignments put both in sync. An interesting anecdote is that 3 days ago I came across some code trying to reuse the underscore underscore dict underscore underscore name explicitly in the class body, which has similarly puzzling side effects. I even wondered whether there should be a bug report on that, and queried the Python developers, and as I had thought of, the authoritative answer was, all underscore underscore dunder underscore underscore names are reserved for the implementation, and they should only be used according to the documentation. So, indeed, it's not illegal, but you are not guaranteed that anything works, either. G. Van Rossum. And it applies just the same to trying to define underscore underscore name underscore underscore in the class body. This URL. And if one actually wants to override underscore underscore name underscore underscore as an attribute in the class body, a metaclass for that is as simple as a metaclass can be.